Hey guys, welcome back to my comedy compilation video. Today again is another hilarious one, very funny. Latest comedy, very funny one. Make sure you watch it from beginning to the end and don't forget to like because we took our time to prepare this for you. Alright, without further ado, let's dive into this video. Let's go!
Yes! Give me that phone.
Not be juju be that.
Give me that phone.
It's a weak phone.
I saw it. Yes!
I've seen it.
Yes!
Behave yourself.
Jesus.
Yes! You! Bring that phone. Put it here. My eyes are everywhere. I'm seeing all of you.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes?
Jesus.
Me?
Sir, show I beg.
Jesus. What have I done? Oh.
The blood of Jesus.
Amada Hassa?
Sir, my data finish and I still the right and never finish. I don't know that if you share me your spot.
Hold on. You don't need to share now. You can use my phone. You are browsing phones.
Oh, that would be nice.
God have mercy upon us.
I will need it.
Sure, you never sign.
There's some success, yeah?
Thank you, sir. But no verse, I beg.
Oh, but why you go carry my tools go school? Go the waste time for there. You get loco. I for nearly told you to go.
Don't be this mumu people. Exam move for right by 9 o'clock. Then come go the right and by 12. Baba, sorry, I beg. Life is simple.
This one is from Sabinus
that all?
and Mr. Life.
Don't worry, I'll get it now. Go to the shop. Okay, what's the meaning of this one now? You know the sea road. Come out for road. Come out for road. Can you imagine? It's one guy who just quack me and don't worry. Let me get it for you. I'm coming.
What?
Madam. I beg you give me juice with 2 biscuits. Customer.
Customer.
I beg, give me 1 carton of Indomie.
Okay.
So Sabinus is ordering things.
How much?
8,000.
I know there must be one like this in this particular one.
Jesus, madam.
Don't start.
We're going with you.
I can't find my wallet. My wallet, I can't find my wallet. My wallet.
Where you keep on now?
And there's 50,000 inside the wallet, madam.
Sabinus have done something.
I'm so sorry. Child. How much for the Indomie?
8,000.
Don't worry, okay? I'll pay for the bill. You pay for me? No one. Thank you so much. God bless you. Nice to meet you.
But where's Sabinus
bless you.
gone?
This is how we support the society. My children will be happy for this.
Stole the money.
Okay, they're very generous. So.
Now so we do them. Thank you, sir. No wahala.
God bless you.
Thief.
Madam,
Eh?
everything how much?
Everything, 10-5.
Plus that my own.
Everything.
Okay.
Where Sabinus be once in 10-5, they pay for me steal the money.
Today's a
Look
good
at the
day.
wallet. Look at.
Jesus.
Outsmart.
Photo. Madam,
We'll go waiting happen.
maybe here with that man come tossing at 50,000 inside wallet.
That one we lost.
Now him be this.
So now you collect them.
Oh God, so that man is a liar.
Okay, so you be thief.
Why shouting? Why shouting?
Yeah, Oga, if you know what's good for you, put some for this pocket, give me my money. I know they play with my business, so.
Something inside my pocket, now the thief wallet. What's wrong with you?
So nothing there inside your pocket. Okay, see, I cannot buy you, go. Man, give me money. Which kind of be that now?
Let's go and meet the man and tell him that this thing he just did, he confused people. Yeah. Oh.
No, give me my money before I go shout thief. On your shit, thief.
No, Sabinus. I think the man didn't even have such amount in that in the wallet.
Hey babe, that reminds me. How much do you make every month?
So what kind of the monitoring
how
question
much
is
is
that?
your monthly salary?
Okay. Come, what sort of question is that? Eh? You just there like this, waiting if you remember to ask me now how much is my monthly salary. Apart from saying my name is Chidera and I'm a proud stingy Igbo boy, what else do you know about me?
Proud stingy.
How many of my siblings do you know? Mama Ongene. Do you know my father's name? Okay. Do you know my favorite sleeping position? You know nothing about me, but you want to know how much I earn every month. Devilish intentions. Stand up, come. Stand up, stand up, come, meet the gun, come. know they had na person when they work or tell person where they work, making place on salary. Come here, Richard, yeah. When you get home and you want to start making your own personal money just from the comfort of your home, MetaWay smart contract just launched on the Polygon blockchain. You can start with $12 and be making $10 to $500 per day. If you are interested, all you have to do is to click the link on the comment section and get started. Come here, Richard, yeah. Okay. Thank you, yeah. Bye. If I without due respect, can you up the giant?
Man can say many head. How many years can I get boy before man my car?
Can never fail. Let's see this next one. This is Isaac Lamba and some skid. I don't know how they're going to win this guy now, but let's see how it goes. And please, I hope you understand why I silent the background noise or why I have to put effect. Corporate claim is not your mates. Let's go. Hey. It still resisted. Oh my god. This time around, I think they win this size. Let's see how they win it.
I no longer have this nose. Yes! My face, this is not my nose. This is not my nose.
This is exactly
Nah, she be that.
She fine, no.
That's really fine, matter. No be fine, matter. I tell you. Nah, bad guys. All these women they like. You sure say you go feel run now?
If I no be bad boy, I can't use I be bad boy. You go there bad now.
Me, I can't make around you your money.
You see the use account. Send down to my Bitcoin wallet.
So you said don't they do BTC, oh?
This is why I tell you about favors app. Anything cryptocurrency, they number one. The app, they Apple Store, they go Play.
Put your wallet for you.
And you I go follow you, go Crity. No big joke.
I don't say that. So don't disappoint me, oh.
You don't appoint me. I no feel disappoint you. Good afternoon.
How are you?
Are they fine?
Okay. You actually don't look bad. You look better in person.
Nah, so everybody they talk. I know really they photogenic. Now for real life, I sharp.
Have you had a threesome before?
Which should be threesome?
Oh! You don't even know what a threesome is as a bad boy.
If you be say I know, but I don't know the way you call it.
Threesome is when a guy or a girl is having sex with more than one person at a time.
I never do that one. My own not to just come out. Once I release, I realize I move. What about you? You don't do threesome before?
Of course, I've had 5 some.
5 some?
Me and 4 guys.
That's awesome.
Awesome.
Really? So tell me, what's the craziest thing you've done?
I knock my best friend sister.
That's bad to you?
That's what you go crazy rich again. Wait, what is the craziest thing what you don't do?
You don't want to know.
If I don't want to know, I go ask you.
I've slept with a mother and a daughter.
Jesus.
That's bad.
So now you're judging me.
Oh, they strong.
No, no judge. If I see what is bad, I go talk now. That one self too bad.
Come on for you, I
Do
beg.
you have sexual fantasies?
That one I get. I want to do doggy.
So you like doggy like this and you go they pretend?
So what about you? What is your sexual fantasy?
My fantasy is actually to, bend a guy over and knock him with a dildo on.
You want to knock my with Dido?
Yeah.
Oh, they struggle.
And I was hoping to, have that with you.
With who?
You, Osas.
Boss my yash.
Are you walking away from me? But I already paid.
I go refund.
Come on for you, I beg.
I go refund though. What kind of thinking? What you put that thinking for your heart, for your mind? Say you want a man. Let's see this one from Showboi. Ghost spirit. Spirit husband. They are knocking your babe. You are looking.
Blood of Jesus!
Who are you?
I'm a spirit husband from heaven.
You are from heaven. What are you not doing here?
Na konji?
Na that konji go.
So there is no other guest in heaven that you knock.
Jesus.
Hell! I warned you. I want you not to allow these children to sleep inside our own room. They have their own room now.
I've tried to make these children sleep in their room, but no way. I don't even know how they got to this place.
This is it. This bed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bed.
Jesus.
Sorry. Hey! I mopped the urine. Sorry.
My money.
Help! Hey! What did this?
Have you tried locking them in their room?
This time, better just lock them. I think they have spare key because somebody just locked you guys out.
But I've done that. How they sneak out inside, I don't know. Maybe they get spare key.
Have you tried wearing them bumpers?
This is cash. Yes, this cash. You
Do you want to go come out? Look, say they scratch them. Don't come.
Pray, Azunko.
Pray.
At this point, the only thing that can please me is jollof rice.
Pastor. Why you not cook rice?
No, grandpa.
Use red oil. How many pastor will they say we no cook rice?
Don't worry now, with time they can outgrow it. If they don't do, if they grow well, they will outgrow all those things.
This man.
This is a very serious case. How can these children be tormenting this man now?
Let's go give you some few minutes. Let's go give you. Help! Hey! Kaji, Chief, for serving me in humility, I'll set you 50 million naira.
50 million.
No, you will live long. Your days will be longer than my own. No, you will live long. Take it.
The plan don't work. Yeah, we have done my check. The check Chief gave me, a settlement. Yeah, we have done.
Hey!
What this man?
Good day, sir.
Good day.
I'm the official lawyer of late Chief Amuneke.
Okay.
I guess he's your CEO in the place you work.
Okay.
He died a few days ago.
Died?
Hey!
And before his death, he clearly stated in his will that he has settled you. He said in his will that you'll be evacuating these premises like 2 days ago. So why are you not out?
The check he gave me. Urine scattered.
Mr. Man, you have to evacuate these premises for his children because they are...
Few days. Give me.
Okay. How can they understand that?
Okay, 4.
Hey!
Hello? What's the problem?
Now you brothers two idiots.
Man, calm down. You don't start from person head.
Now which one of them give my daughter belly?
Hell! Have you seen this lady before? No. Madam, no be.
Who said? Which one of them give you belly? This one.
Belly.
Let's say it's not play.
Hello?
Mommy, let's go.
Mommy, don't worry yourself. I bet no say this two a cook no go prison and they give my sister belly. Observe their leg. I don't take care of everything.
Why did you not now?
I cannot for picking when we suffer trade. I drop out because of that game. Make for people go school.
If you no call the papa leg now.
If no be say I get respect for woman, their mama leg too for follow. Even the Bible says that the sin of the father shall make it. The sin of you know, say you tell me say the Bible says even the sin of the father, the sin. And so that's why make me talk.
It is very shameful for me to.
I don't go fast even more reminder when you don't cut my leg already.
And also up to 300% bonus on first
deposit. And then the person helped me talk that thing. Look at the way Funny Bros was rushing. Try to recite it. This is not the funny.
Place an accumulator bed by choosing any form of event.
I'll just be looking at him like this. When you have cut my leg, I'll just be looking like this. Guys, please like this video.
Guys, let's go double tap on your screen. Double tap.
Wonder the
double tap on your screen. Double tap. Let's go there. Let's go there.
What's going on here?
Guys, we're about to activate the ×2. I need 10 roses of 1 donut. Give me 1 donut. Give me 1 donut.
No, Scotty. Are you sure this person is normal?
I doubt though, because when you ask for donuts, when drink no day.
Oh! Emma, thank you. Emma, thank you.
Ah, he said thank you. I think he's intelligent. Never, let's go.
Let's run for the times 2. Oh, give me a lion. Give me one big lion. I want a lion. Give me one lion. Give me the lion. You're a mad person. What are you doing, bros? How can you be asking for lion in this kind of vicinity? Bros,
there is no zoo here.
Move it.
But I think the psychiatric officials, they are the ones that are not even socialized.
Besides, I'm not the only one.
Come on, keep quiet and stay there. After now, they go catch Sandra Benada. All TikTokers are mad people. Come on, move. Now move it.
These doctors are not civilized because they should have known that.
Just 10,000 naira, man. You will enjoy it. You work more than his money.
Are you sure?
Yes, okay.
Give me your account number.
Okay. Grandma 00 322.
Move now. 322. Okay, what's that your name again? Lawa. Wait, I didn't have my glasses. Let me go and collect it inside.
Okay.
I'm coming.
I'll wait.
Oh my God. Tao, please. I want to make transfer outside now, and he's showing this thing. I don't understand. What? Mommy, is fraud though. Fraud is a fraud account. Yeah. How did you know? Yes, mommy, because OpenAI has a scam alert, pop alert feature that helps you to identify an account that is potentially fraudulent. Let me see. Give me my glasses. Where is it? Oh, yeah. I didn't have my glasses, Neil. Let me see. Oh, no. Madura. My hard-earned money, mommy. I didn't see it, or if not because of my glasses, I wasn't able to read. Can you imagine, mommy? But I told you to trust OP. You have total control over your finances, and it has top-notch security that, like this one, that will help you not get defrauded. Yes, mommy, because that scam alert feature is my favorite feature. If not, you wouldn't have known that this account is fraud. It's fraud, mommy. It says, they protect fraud. Tao? Oh no, your meal. Tao. And mommy, please, what is he selling to you, sir? Because you have been talking to him for like 1 hour. I was sitting on my own. He said I selling your buying that one this small dot something like this. I can sell HIV and this thing, a lot of those things. Even I edit whatever. I want to buy it from my back. That's why I want to buy it. Mommy, when it's not as if it no go to school. Hey! Why are you doing this for? I don't understand. Is it not because I now have my glasses? That's why I did not see this camera. Well, we are doing like this. What is that? It's your father's family that did not go to school. From your father's daddy to your father. Rubbish. Sorry, no, don't know what time. Will you get out?
It's like Thomas forgotten.
Mom, be careful, oh.
Grandma, you were here.
What have I done? What did you not do? What did you not do? Leave here. Only. Allah, no, yummy. Allah, open.
Waiter, please prepare yourself to this look.
Let's see this one from this guy.
What's up? Please come.
What's going on here?
Good evening, sir.
Evening.
Please, what can I offer you?
Please, what do people have?
What's the meaning of this? What's the meaning of this pejorative, derogatory, and scurrilous attitude? This is disdainful and contumelious. What kind of aspersions is this? I was the first person that besieged, scrounged, and galvanized you to this place. You got to this junction and digressed to him. Don't you know it's first confess, sir?
Sir, please, I'm very sorry. I thought that...
You thought what? I came here first. You're supposed to serve me first. Why did you go to him?
What's this one?
Who will be this one?
Young man, the same thing you want, that's the same thing I want. She'll come and take your order. Calm down.
So it has gotten to this level where nincompoops, nitwit, and dum-dum like you will open your bazoo and buccal cavity to verbose, scurrilous, and noxious words to a whole academic apparatus and high mocamo. I don't blame you. It's because I prepared myself to this juncture. Let me skedaddle.
Sir, please, I'm sorry. Please don't go, please. Sir.
My friend, leave the place. Poor man.
Hit the ground.
They have pride.
This man is a high-profile lawyer.
And so, go and get me cool, good. Go.
High-profile lawyer.
Hello? Yeah, I'm still trying to locate the place. All right.
Hello, articulate and bountiful salutation to you.
Hello.
Wow, you know, I was actually peregrinating and globe-trotting through this terrain and envisaged a clinquant, dazzling homo sapient like you that is submerged and enveloped with caloposha. I said, no, I must come back, retreat, retrogress, and have a tete-a-tete with you. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm unperturbed and unruffled. You know, I was actually going to a court session. I have a case. But having seen you, that my client can go to prison because you've already imprisoned my heart.
That's lovely.
You know the sun is very scorching and is not favorable for a beautiful girl like you.
True.
Just give me your number. Let me give you a call. Then later in the evening, we can just sit somewhere gentle and decorous and have a tete-a-tete. Then we can take it from there. You understand?
Okay.
Put it there.
All right. Here you go.
Oh, you eclipse my heart in a state of joy, sans, joy de viva, and ecstasy.
Grandma.
Joy, I will give you a call.
Okay.
Take care of yourself.
All right.
Yes. Doctor. Ha.
Barrister.
Yes, sir.
I see money where you say, what's happened?
Yes, actually, I sent some spondyles to your account. It's for treatment.
Okay, what type of treatment?
Okay,
Doc. You again?
No, it's all right. No, please, doctor, attend to him first.
No. My bad. I don't want any problem, please. You can go.
I'm not in a hurry now, my brother. Patience is a virtue. Forget what happened before. He can attend to you first. Doctor, please, attend to him.
Okay. I just say you be lawyer. I don't want to go jail. I better go first.
I insist he should attend to you. It's not a problem,
Okay, Doc. I better give me condom, kiss.
400 now. I hope you owe money there. Yes. Okay, no problem. I don't finish now. And the law, what you want buy now?
No, finish with him. He's not done. Finish with him.
No, I don't need anything again.
Are you sure you're done buying? Are you sure you don't need any other thing?
You can attend to it. Okay, Doc, now.
What did you say they do it before?
Actually, Doc, what I want to buy, I want something that would...
You're still around. I thought you said you had a court session.
My inamorata. No, actually, I was actually propelling to the judication. That is the courthouse. But I just said, let me just breeze in here and pick up something.
Okay.
What are you doing here?
Oh, I came to pick up something.
Doc, I'm a chivalrous homo sapien. Please, ladies first. Attend to her first. I'm not in a hurry.
No, not from him. I'm waiting for someone. I came to pick up something.
Okay, no problem. Lawyer, we'll continue now. Waiting can you come now? You know the serious.
You can understand English very well, Abi. Yes, sir. You're a graduate.
Are you a graduate?
Doc, actually, my intermittent organ, lunchbox, propagator, and phallus is in a state of incineration, and I need something that will de-incinerate it.
This girl big grammar too much. But I don't carry another door, wait for work another thing, can't give you. You go work another thing, you can't let her come back. I bet speak your language, must make her feel understand.
Sorry, Doc. Like I said, my membrum, vere, and phallus is in a disintegrated and prickle state. I need something that will ameliorate it.
So you can speak.
I know they say understand. Break this thing down, so I go feel understand. What be the problem? Remember saying you don't pay me money, oh. We know they refund you, oh. I don't know till they waste time, they speak big grammar.
Come. Since yesterday morning, whenever I'm urinating, it always burns and it's very painful. I have infection, so give me infection drugs.
Infection? Yeah, we get here. If na infection where you get, if you know they talk most
why did you say
treat them for this place?
Don't mind me.
So you have infection?
Very small one.
Please delete that number I gave to you. I don't want to have anything to do with you.
It's very small infection. I'm about to treat it now.
Just leave this place.
Madam, your lab result is out. You have gonorrhea.
Jesus. Oh, so you have gonorrhea. You have infection too. Esprit de corps. Let's just go home together. Gaga one gaga.
I got the advice from a madman.
Yes, Daddy, I don't blow. Of course it's blue. When you're broke, keep stopping yourself with all the food I have in this house. Instead of getting a job, why won't you boss?
Daddy, I mean, I've made money. I don't blow.
Why did you start with that?
I made money through this app, Octa.
You know, when you young people start putting app and money in the same sentence, my trust jumps out the window.
Daddy, no be like that. This is legit. And it's trusted by over 40 million users.
Oh boy, it's going to take more than 40 million strangers to win my trust.
Look, my dad has serious PTSD from fake pains, like in 1998 with the hair booster drama.
So.
Or is it the investment scam that happened in 2005?
I just invested a lot of money. Now watch it triple in 3 weeks. You saw it just now, babe?
I saw it just now.
We just came out of it. Where is it?
Even 2010, when he was hacked.
Click here and become a millionaire overnight. Why not?
The day I lost that laptop, I lost half my net worth.
I understand you don't trust, but you can just give it a try. It's a licensed broker regulated by MISA and FSC, and it's been on the market for 13 years. It's all over 180 countries.
So the day I tried to withdraw, my phone would explode.
No, Daddy, look here. You get a smooth and quick withdrawal.
This boy is right, though.
And Dad, you can use the promo code dezny100 to see that Octa is not just talk. Dad, is the TV fake?
When I bought the gen, they said buy one gen, get 2 TVs free.
Then where is the second one?
I donated it to the orphanage,
Destiny. Destiny and his crazy content. Very technical kind of content. Let's see me start. Brother Solo on this one.
Hey, babe, please. I forgot the oil. Let me quickly grab.
That's how you used to do. That's how you used to behave.
I don't understand. See, please, so.
Are you not supposed to have gotten everything ready before me getting here?
They just talk in their matter because they will use it to settle their quarrel. These two people. Let's watch. Let's see how it goes, Sha.
Something you are supposed to have arranged down.
I'm not in the mood, though.
Supposed to have arranged down.
Talk, I don't like it. Hey, babe, when we get to that front to buy crayfish. What's the meaning of that?
So you could not buy crayfish inside the market?
With the way you were ordering me, how will I remember to buy crayfish?
I promise you, I will never carry you again.
Don't carry me now.
You find your way home.
Did I beg from work? Did I beg you?
I will never carry you again.
I will never, ever wait for you again. Me, wait for you to carry me. Never.
You try to about that crayfish.
Am I the one that want to eat? What I want to see is to cook for everybody.
I will not carry you again.
If you ever see me this shocker, insult me the way you like.
I closed since 2 p.m. For you to be fast like I come back rest. You are just wasting unnecessary time.
We are talking about what about my time?
Solo, what is it? Don't mind my wife. She has this attitude of wasting my time. Yes. Every day I pick her on my way from work and bring her home. Now she just have character of wasting my time and stressing me and I need to rest.
Solo, you should be used to this women by this time now. It's their nature. Just take it easy.
Neighbor, no while I saw your message.
Okay, you received the message.
I will update you.
Please take it easy.
No while. Wait, let me open door for you. Move away, pick carry this.
You are angry, but you are happy now. These people. Thank God the neighbor didn't say anything bad because they will use it to settle this quarrel and all.
Neighbor.
Mama, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Well done, ma.
Thank you.
Mama, are you going home?
Yes, I'm going home.
I'm going up too now. Come, let me just drop you.
Oh, don't worry. I'm waiting for my husband.
Okay.
But thank you,
Right.
Thank you so
Bye.
much.
The neighbor every showboi, we will not say it because what concerns him.
Don't think too much.
Sure, you say you will not come and wait.
Baby, you come inside now.
I thought you said you never come and carry me again.
Did you not tell me you never wait for me? Why were you now waiting?
Yo, I'm kidding.
I was waiting for you.
You just like wasting my time.
If I don't waste your time, who will?
That's true. Yeah, I'm sorry.
Hey, that's my baby.
This one you are doing. We are not doing one tonight.
Says who?
Now these kind of people you go talk to for that matter. They will use you clean ground. You cry, I know. Oh.
Intercourse with you, yeah, intercourse.
It is finished. It is finished. Finished.
Real men, you know the same. You know, yeah? You like, sell your yams for fame. You like, sell your yams for fame. May not know what you do. They fool yourself for your children. Some of the dog woman, you get woman for us. Let another person go sell your yams. You let another man punch you banga. Another banga for bed. You get woman for us. That's a shameful behavior.
Which one be punch?
Then at the end of the day, you talk. The price I pay. Which price you pay? The one Jesus Christ can't pay. Who call?
Don't be price.
Jesus Christ don't pay the price. You say you won't pay price. Oh yeah, you don't pay your hands so. They promote things where no get head. Society they scatter. Society they bend. Nobody they talk. All of them they laugh. They drop comments. The thing we go supposed to make you drop comment. You know go drop comment for that one. So when I go take comment section on the phone. See they behave like girls. Shut up your mouth. You don't put comment for there. Some of them go the phone.
Why is it taking it so personal?
Post this thing. They craze.
So personal.
Make our guy man they come online.
And he's telling the truth.
Now woman I need maintenance. You hear? Now woman body I need maintenance. The body of a man is a structure to protect and to provide. What do I want you? I tell you! Cut this video!
So angry.
You are here, right?
I'm at the reception.
What's your room number?
304.
Oh, okay.
I'm coming.
Press that.
Hello. Hi there.
Eyes they pay me and they waiting me there.
Now, two people be this, Sabinus and one person, Sabinus and my height, they pay me.
Well, I came with my twin sister.
So say you come with your twin sister now. Then you can't do hook up, they carry twin sister follow body. I beg you go downstairs, make you come. No, knock, I beg.
Well, we share everything, including men. So if you want me, you must want my sister.
Ah, now I use new format for me, Abi. I go pay you, can't still pay your sister. I beg only 100K now I get for only you. I beg me your sister go wait for outside.
Who's asking you for extra pay? You pay for one, you get us both.
Lamba.
Lamba for Jesus!
Even the happy square, there be one of the two. You can't get one. And one will follow. Never. Never. Let's see this one from Star Prince. It's about to unleash. Just look at it.
Jesus.
Never even food. Don't come anyhow. The great Nakademus. Look at him, he's happy. Mumu, for your mind.
My change.
Okay, boss.
You well? Jesus. You know they see where? Now 2K I give you, now 500 be my change.
Sorry, boss.
You no get head?
Hey! I'll take it and leave.
Wait. Where you dey go?
I know they let the opportunity pass by.
They brought him home.
He shot you.
Don't you know?
You can't do this one. Who doesn't chop my bread again?
Boss, take your bread now.
Let's have it. God Almighty. I beg go, you too much.
What's it with that? I'm up for Jesus!
Now die, they die so. Now die, now they die so. Jesus.
You know, let me rest.
So now, yeah, I want to make it land. Yeah, take it.
Take it back.
Thief. Sorry. I beg. Even if na Corolla.
You
So,
went
now my madness, you dey wait for things before you go make money. You don't be my friend. You dey play
toy aeroplane to real aeroplane for you. That's
waka.
now. You collected those small stuff. I bet let's see this one from who is this man? Is this not Bele Benten? Bele Benten. No, it's not Bele Benten. I didn't see it.
Hello, teacher. I dey be. I just see one job vacancy now for street here.
Work? We say have that so.
Now one vacancy job now for street here. 30K per month.
30K. Beg you, all those work maybe like say 30K per month.
30K per month is one type of canal. For street here.
I be no shit. What is up, man? Not video work.
Because of 30K job, they give us plenty condition.
They give you many conditions. You come not be to give you work. The that one. Which condition they give you?
They say more bab our hair, more script and more bab bololo. First thing first, so that we look responsible. Yeah, I no look responsible like this.
Me will bab our hair before they fit give us the job. Now pay me they then
Yes, now. Plus one type of canal. Like I say, we come back Bololo. That one type of canal see join. See, more just they go.
Jesus. What be the room number? The room not get number. What be the room number?
This is business. Hey, who do you think you had to barge into somebody's apartment?
How my lawyer boy na the apartment be this?
Yes, chairman, na the apartment be disturb with music.
Babe, who be the other one?
I don't understand this guy that looks like an imbecile.
Jesus.
He's questioning me.
How far, bro? Why you come my apartment, call the harassment again, and they disturb me for where they play my game, they enjoy my jam? Bro, why you dey play music when you sleep? I know that's not. Now you ever connect the apartment? You know you dey talk to? Who you be? Oh, who I be? Okay. How far my lawyer boy?
Chairman.
This time about me fast.
How far now my chairman business dey come back for vacation so for a coat and as it be like this way you skin your food. You want your sleep. You just dey play music and your music dey disturb and you don't like noise. So my advice for you now carry this your noise go to wait for outside so that peace go reign.
But you dey crazy, you no get sense. And as for you, what's your problem? So because you collect one bedroom for you now, does that give you the man to call the tell me we collect 3 beds? You better say make me low my music for where I hear for the la vida or my checkers. Jesus. Like who does that? Are you stupid? How far bolo man? Why you dey pack it like this? You be baby. You can't force me don't pass my scan up my to say we never could ban. They owe me, you take her to sleep. You get me, I call they play music, they wake up for sleep. You know say that one a big C finished to me. I'm not really blaming Sha. Wait, says how much you don't see safe? More talk, how much you don't see safe? When we say they give the man to come pay apartment. By this time of the night, 3 say me off my music for where I hear the la vida. I wish you not be poor man wait to say a guy there because of 3 bedroom a lodge. And for poor is sweet, but I don't want to talk too much. I don't rush money for your pay. I don't want to say you play music try this year again. Skin food. You get 3 million. Papa checkers, disconnect the speaker.
Baba, all the math you have made, so
your son is back.
My son.
Baba, don't do this to me.
My first bank, I have 40 million naira inside there.
Hey! You get 40 million for account, now they could do the suffer. How much I going to find for Lagos why I want you to make you proud?
Never finish. And my GTB, I have 40 million also.
Now they carry gal they trade. I go from Ajapo to person go island because of 100 naira.
No, you are my next of kin. That is the reason why I called you to come back. Because I want to hand over everything to you. I've been sick for past 3 months.
You tell your sons.
In my UBA, I have another 40 million naira.
God of Nazareth! God of Mosai God! God of Destiny of
I know that I may not survive this illness.
No, you don't need to survive this one. If you die, rest in peace.
The bank will not give you the money except they see me. But I want you to present this book to them.
Now you talk. No worry yourself. We are the sign. Oh, okay. May I put my signature? You don't need to stress yourself. What about your ATM? Waiting be the pin.
225.
Okay, now you can die. No, I go bury you well. No fear about your burial. If I come out 5 million from this, your total money now. I don't give you better burial.
And then.
Okay. You don't even call your bank office and make them carry the money come. Yes, Mr. Mike, we are here. Please don't disturb him. I'm his first son. Explain to me what is the problem.
My son is not bank people. Remember that time I sent it to Yankee? She squandered all my money and came back empty-handed. I took loan from this company, 1.7 billion.
Sir, you're making a mistake. Your money have passed 1.7 billion.
Interest.
With the interest side, it's about 3.2 billion now, sir.
Minus 120 million in my account. You pay them the rest.
Please, now 2 of them do the business. I was not there. I hope everything is recorded.
I recorded everything the man said before he passed away.
You will pay us the money. I'm not even the next of kin. Forget about this paper. Now he just carry the paper, give me and the Bible. Say, I just help and write something. I know now, my brother.
Hey, young man.
Where do you think we are going to? Yeah! Come on, move.
You better stand up on that. You better wake up. Come pay this loan. Because if I not inherit your wealth, I know they inherit loan. You not going to invite me all the way from Lagos. I try to come back here now to come enter problem. To come to pay loan when I don't know when you borrow. Stand up from that place. Yo.
And he was hearing 40 million, he was happy, not knowing that something huge is coming. Hey! Who blew the whistle is different from who you are slapping. Voila. Voila. Oh. Where is he going? Even the guy was surprised, like, and that one is following you.
And you heard I go follow you, go very big, no big joke.
This is hilarious.
Is you?
Yes. Good afternoon.
Babe, remember that my ex I told you now that I did all the things I did for him and then he left me? He's the one. Look at how he's looking.
What are you saying?
Hello. So this is where you ended. After everything. Just look at you. I was thinking by now you even own one mansion and one. Look at my man. Good looking. Very handsome, sexy. He drives one of the most expensive cars. And let me shock you, he is good on bed.
And look at, he's looking very hopeless. You are a foolish man. You are a foolish man. I'm sure right now the girlfriend you're dating is very ugly.
Hey! Are you stupid?
Yeah.
Are you mad?
Yeah.
Foolish man.
I told you to hide.
I told you to hide.
Let's go.
At least your girlfriend should be fine now, even you don't have money. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you guys for sticking around to this moment. And I believe you enjoyed this comedy, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe. Like this video, share it to all your friends, your fans, your social media platform, and everywhere. And don't forget to leave your comments in the comment box below. It is free, no fee. You know, no fee attached to it, honestly. So what is your favorite moment in this comedy compilation video? Because we actually took our time to compile this for you guys. So I believe you enjoyed it, and I'm not going to waste any of your time. Like, no review for today. Till our next comedy video. We're going to see you guys in our next comedy video compilation. Have a wonderful time, and peace out.